Namaste everyone. Here I am going to find a general solution of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is formed by a quadratic polynomial. Firstly, try to understand about an equation. As we know, an equation is a statement of equality containing constants and variables. Here, ax square plus bx plus c is equated to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, then ax square, it means this whole part will become 0, and then we have only bx plus c, that is 0. Then it will become a linear equation. Quadratic polynomial. See here, this is not equated to 0, so this is a quadratic polynomial. Its highest degree is 2 only. So this is quadratic and a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, then this part will become 0 and we have only bx plus c. This is condition. Now I have to find a general solution of a given quadratic equation. See here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is a general quadratic equation. It is equated to 0, so it is an equation. Now see how I will find its solution. We need to find its solution. It means we need to find the value of variable, that is x. Value of this variable is x. Its degree is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. We have to change it into a square form. So this is called a square completion form. Firstly, we will have to remove this a. So divide by a in its LHS and RHS, both part. When we divide by a on both parts, then a cancelled, here b by a, c by a, and 0 by a, that gives us 0 again. Now we have x square plus. I am going to convert it into a square form. So recalled a square form of these terms. It can be solved like this: x square plus 2. As we know, a plus b whole square gives us a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2 into a. Suppose x is in place of first term, that will be a, and 2ab. I am going to change it into second term, b by a. It is given. When we divide it by 2, then 2 gets cancelled and we have the same term, b by a and x. b by ax, b by ax. So it is correct. Now further, I am going to add it. As we know, a plus b whole square gives us a square plus 2ab plus b square, second term square. So I am going to add one term, that is b by 2a whole square. Since I added it So I need to subtract it also. So minus b by 2a and its whole square. And c by a is already available here. And it is equal to 0. Now it can be changed into a square form as a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is written in this form. C by a plus, and this part is C by a, and this part is taken in this side, minus b square by 2a whole square, that is 4a square. It is equal to 0. Further we have x plus b by 2a whole square plus, this part is solved like this. 4a square is taken common, is equal to 0. Implies that x plus b by 2a its whole square is equal to, this part is transposed to right side, then it will be minus, now take a square root of this part, a square root, minus into 4ac gives us minus 4ac, minus minus plus gives us plus b square. Implies that x is taken in this side, x is equal to, this is transposed to right side, minus b by 2a, and a square root of any number gives us both positive and negative, plus minus, this part is root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, as a square root of 4a square gives us 2a. Now I will take 2a as common. Then we find its general solution, which will be like this. Implies that x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This b square minus 4ac determines its nature of its square root. So this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of this quadratic equation. Now I am going to find nature of roots. This part will be either greater than 0 or equal to 0, or it may be less than 0. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots are plus, first time take plus symbol and second time take minus symbol, plus minus. In this way, here are two distinct real roots. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have x is equal to minus b by 2a. It means both roots are same. Here both roots are same. Now when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. There is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. Therefore, no real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. As we observed here, b square minus 4ac determines the nature of the roots, whether they are real or not. So it is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. It is solved with the help of taking a square. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.